I'm Raymond Tranquil with eXp Realty, and welcome to my newest listing in Bayside, Queens, 211 40th 18th Avenue. This co-op features 2 bedrooms and 1 full bath.
All right, let's take a look inside.
Welcome inside 6D. Look at all this natural light that you get. Yep, that's real sunlight. So one of the best parts about this master bedroom, besides the fact that you can fit a king-size bed, is these custom designed closets to fit so much of your stuff. Now today's a perfect day, but imagine it's raining, it's really cold, it's windy, you don't want to walk that far from your car. The parking lot and your private spot are right by the entrance.